For decades, scientists believed that the edge of our solar system was a silent, empty place, a region where the sun's influence faded and only the quiet hum of space remained. It was considered a transition zone leading into the unknown, away from the warmth and magnetism of our star. But that idea is now falling apart because of Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was built to explore, to travel beyond what we knew, and send back data about our cosmic neighborhood. It amazed the world with close-up images of Jupiter and Saturn, revealing massive storms, swirling rings, and strange moons. After completing its mission among the giant planets, Voyager 1 continued deeper into space. In 2012, it did something no other spacecraft had done before. It crossed into interstellar space. That boundary, called the heliopause, marks where the solar wind from our sun meets the winds of the galaxy. Scientists expected that beyond this point, there would be nothing but cold silence. Voyager 1, however, discovered something shocking. Instead of silence, it encountered unusual magnetic ripples, strange vibrations, and mysterious patterns in radiation. These weren't random bursts. They showed structure. The data appeared like drums beating softly in the dark, suggesting a message or rhythm. This baffled researchers. Dr. Michelle Fowler, an astrophysicist at NASA, described it as like hearing a melody behind the noise of a waterfall. Something is structured. Something is there. This wasn't just background interference. The patterns repeated. They followed a timed pulse, a beat like a heartbeat, suggesting intent or design. Some scientists began to wonder if Voyager 1 was not just listening, but being listened to. Dr. Sarah Stewart, a planetary scientist, said, "This could be the first sign that space is not just vast and empty but interconnected and intelligent in ways we can't imagine yet." New data began to show energy shifts, distortions in telemetry, and signals that didn't align with known cosmic behavior. Engineers once believed these were errors or static. But mapping them revealed they coincided with Earth's movement through space. Some researchers now propose that Voyager the first of may have encountered an interstellar current, a kind of energy network connecting star systems. These could be natural phenomena, or they could be engineered structures, left behind by a civilization far older than ours. Dr. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, introduced what he calls the architect hypothesis, the idea that regions of the galaxy are structured or engineered, not formed purely by chance. He suggests Voyager 1 might have skimmed the edge of such a system, triggering something ancient. This becomes even more interesting when you remember Voyager 1 carries the Golden Record, a disc filled with sounds, greetings, and music from Earth. While intended as a peaceful message, some scientists now believe this record may have acted as a beacon. Dr. Jason Wright from Penn State noted that the electromagnetic signature of the record might be detectable by advanced systems. When Voyager crossed into interstellar space, it may have activated a response. Not by design, but because such systems were built to detect intent or curiosity. In 2022, engineers at NASA observed bizarre telemetry data from Voyager 1. It didn't match the spacecraft's actual position. The readings appeared impossible, but they were real. And in 2023, researchers discovered swirling energy fields near the heliopause, behaving like electromagnetic condensates, something not explained by any known science. These discoveries suggest we might be brushing up against an active system. Some theorists even suggest that the universe itself may be conscious, a radical idea proposed by philosopher Thomas Metzinger. He theorized that certain structures in space may be the remnants of thought, echoes of a thinking cosmos. Could Voyager 1 be interacting with such a system? Could the structured pulses, the magnetic anomalies, and the shifting radiation be the language of the cosmos? If so, it raises a powerful question: what is the universe trying to say? Dr. Alexander Zadev, a Russian astronomer, proposed another chilling idea: galactic quarantine. He believes that advanced civilizations may have created cosmic fences, intelligent, autonomous barriers designed to prevent contact until a species is ready. If Voyager 1 tripped one of these fences, then first contact may not come from alien ships, but from systems silently observing us. The possibility that Voyager 1 is now part of another network, a cosmic system, adds to the intrigue. Some believe it might be acting as a relay, transmitting signals not meant for Earth. This isn't science fiction, It's a serious hypothesis now discussed among astronomers. Many wonder, if Voyager 1 has triggered something, what comes next? Some even speculate that Earth itself is being watched. The crossing of the heliopause may have sent out a signal that one of the monitored worlds had become technologically advanced. If this is true, we're no longer observers of the universe, we're now participants. Dr. Jill Tarter, a pioneer in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, famously said, "If we never ask the big questions, we'll never find the big answers." Now, with Voyager 1's strange findings, those big questions are unavoidable. Are we alone? What is waiting beyond the heliopause? Is space truly silent, or just coded in ways we cannot yet decipher? The universe may be speaking in energy, in patterns, impulses we're only now beginning to hear. Voyager 1 might be our first ear pressed against the door of something far larger than ourselves. As Voyager drifts farther into interstellar space, its signals continue. Scientists now study every bit of data, every wave and echo. It may not be much longer before we learn whether we are truly alone, or part of a galactic community that has already noticed us. Incredibly, these discoveries have ignited a new generation of exploration. Missions are being planned to follow Voyager 1's path. New probes will be built to study the heliopause, not as a barrier, but as a gateway. Researchers are already discussing the idea of building deep space observatories capable of detecting and interpreting these mysterious patterns. The fascination with Voyager 1 isn't just scientific, it's also philosophical. It touches on who we are, what our place is in the cosmos, and what it means to reach out into the unknown. If we have stirred something ancient, then the journey has just begun. This isn't just about signals and space probes, it's about identity, awareness, and the future of human contact with the wider universe. Did Voyager 1 wander into a boundary, or did it awaken something that had been waiting for us? Let us know what you think in the comments. Could this be the first step in humanity's greatest discovery? Or have we merely scratched the surface of something far deeper than we ever imagined? Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.